Continuing on our media strategies, organic public relations. Highlight the instructors and staff as personalities on the website and open the opportunity for them to email, chat, and blog with customers to build better relationships. Build success stories about customer experience focused on wellness and fitness. Feature these stories on the website, in a members newsletter, and in all social media platforms. Alternative marketing. Guerrilla events. Host flash mobs at the T. Flash mobs are impromptu synchronized performances that we can host at North and South Station, Back Bay, leading all the way up to Upham's Corner. Make sure they're performed during the busy commute hours. There'll be a staff informational booth will be clearly visible at all stations, handing out flyers targeting HR professionals, employees, individual consumers that will be handed out during all the performers. Encourage them to participate. Promotional materials and swag can also be given out. And obviously, capture the footage so it can become a viral marketing tool. How will we evaluate the efficacy of our implementation of marketing strategies? Quantitative versus qualitative. Quantitative will include revenue dollars, our class enrollment numbers, returning clients versus dropouts, our web traffic, which we'll analyze through Google Analytics, the referral program results, coupon redemption rates, and online membership programs. Qualitative measures will include improved health, weight loss, customer service feedback, focus groups, participation in community outreach, customer service reviews, testimonials, and of course, our increased blog activity. So what's next for Work It at Work and the DeWitt Center for Health and Wellness? Some examples of long-term plans plus additional health initiatives include targeting schools. While child obesity is currently on a national crisis, the DeWitt Center will build relationships with local superintendents, principals, gym teachers, PTA members, all to establish partnerships. They'll be submitted in order to participate in initiatives and secure funding for tailored programs toward childhood obesity. Autism is still on the rise and no one knows why. Traditional treatment is no longer working, therefore parents, clinicians, and professionals are turning to alternative therapies. Alternative fitness therapy is becoming a major trend now, and the DeWitt Center is prepared to hire a licensed therapist in order to complement the instructors and accommodate this population. Thank you for your attention. Now let's work it!